Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vase here and today we are going to unbox the Oppo A5s. A5s, the front, the side, Oppo and the back. Here you can read its specs: 6.2-inch HD screen, 4230 mAh battery, dual rear cameras, it has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. So let's unbox it. So let me open the box, and here is the accessories, and here is the A5s itself. Here you can see beautiful display. Well, on the box you have its charger and USB to micro USB cable. It does not have headphones, so keep it as a reminder. So here you have your manuals and a protector to protect the smartphone from scratches. So it does has a fingerprint sensor. Here is the front. Let me power it on. Oppo, it's powering on. Okay, select a language, your region. Let me just set it up. Here you go. Here is the mobile phone and you can see the display. It's looking beautiful. Let me open the camera. So here is the back result of the camera, and here is the front camera as you can see, and here is the mobile with its 6.2-inch HD plus screen. So anyways guys, this was a quick unboxing of the Oppo A5s. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below.